Be honest with me. When was the last time you actually looked at what your kids are doing online? And I don't mean just glancing over. I mean really paying attention to what they are doing online. If you are like most parents and you're going to be honest with me, the answer you give me is you don't even know where to start from. You are busy, you trust them, and besides, they probably know more about technology than you. Those are the common excuses parents give. But that's not right. Because in 2026, your child's digital footprint isn't just their problem, it's a family security risk. And today, I'm showing you the one section in the cybersecurity safety checklist that most parents skip. That one that is currently broadcasting your home address and your every details to the world. And let me quickly drop this one here. For some of you who are wondering what is this checklist, that means you have not downloaded it. You have not signed up to get the free checklist. Check the link in the description or follow the link showing on the screen right now. You can download this safety checklist right at this moment before we proceed. Here's what we need to understand. So when your child posts a get ready with me video in their school uniform, or your son shares a gaming win with his full name in his profile, they are not just posting, they are exposing you. Your house number in the background, your daily school run routine, your family's exact movements. Predators don't need to friend your child anymore. All they need is for your child's accounts to be public. In Nigeria and across the globe, most TikTok accounts are set to public by default. And this also happens for Instagram accounts, Snapchats, and many of these social media accounts. They are public by default. That means anyone can see your child's school name, your home area, and exactly when your house is empty. So this isn't about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. And you can lock this down in less than 10 minutes. If you are learning anything in this video, or you've been watching some of my videos and you are learning anything, please do well to like the video, share with someone you know that it can help, and subscribe to this channel. So the kids online safety section of the checklist is the part that most parents or most people skip because they feel it's overwhelming. But it's actually the most vital because it walks you through the privacy toggle, switching your accounts from being public to being private. The info audits, what your kids or anybody in your home should never share, even if it seems innocent. And the friend filter, how to spot a scammer disguised as a 12-year-old instantly. So you don't need to be a tech expert to achieve all this. All you need to do is to follow the steps we are going to provide to you. And how do you find these exact steps? So if you sign up for the Cyber Safe Homes Kit today, we are going to walk you through this step. We are not just going to show you this step, we are going to help you to implement this privacy setting and protection for every member of your household. So look at the link in the description of this video and you can sign up to get your Cyber Safe Homes Kit. You can also start by downloading the checklist for us. The link to activate your Cyber Safe Homes Kit is also in the description to this video. Don't make this an interrogation. Don't make your child feel like you are questioning him or her or querying their actions. So sit down with them today, open the checklist together and go through it one by one. It explains to them why privacy matters and show your kids that you are not stopping their fun, you are rather protecting their future. And the reality is that you can't protect what you can't see. But right now, most parents are flying blind. So go to the checklist right now or download the checklist right now, go through it, go to the kids safety section and close those gaps before someone else finds them. I want you to do this today because tomorrow I'm going to be introducing myself and show you exactly why I'm obsessed with protecting families like yours. Trust me, you want to hear my story. So right now, check the link in the video description. One action, 10 minutes, total protection. Let's keep building. If this video has helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that we can grow fast and reach out to bigger audience.